Bonjour mes amis, buonasera miei amici. Hello ladies and gentlemen. Our inventory today I wanted to introduce you to. Back by popular demand, how about a 2006 Aston Martin DB9 convertible V12 6-liter car in black on black. Let me introduce it to you without further ado. Check it out behind me here. Let me turn the camera around. Look at this puppy. 6-liter V12. 2006 with only 31,000 miles. 19-inch chrome wheels with special order red Brembo calipers. This car has been garaged all its life. As you can tell, not a scratch on it, not a ding. Very, very clean car. Inside and out. Love this light color wood interior. That is just beautiful. Look at that. Usable back seat, as opposed to the Vantage where you don't have a back seat at all. You could actually put somebody in the back seat there in a pinch. And what better way to find out than now, right? So I have the seat position for myself right now. I'm a 6-footer and I can fit in here. Well, to be honest, I would like to back up a little bit more. Okay, so I'm here. Let me see if I can sit in a back seat. The older cars like 06, they have a release right here. There's a little lever, you pull it up. See how it folds open. The newer ones, they have like 07, 08, they have this little button here. You push the button and you pivot it. So let's see if I would fit in there. Well, I think I spoke too early. I don't know if I can fit in here. Yeah, it's a little tight for me here. It's a little tight, so I would probably have to ask the driver to be uncomfortable a little bit. Let me show you how to start the car up here. And here it is. Now for the hood, stick your hand in here, lift it a little bit, and it has the release right here. This little thing. What the 6-liter V12 looks and sounds like. Handmade in the UK. Inspected by Martin Astor. Okay, let's go for a quick ride. Normally I would like to drive the car with the top down. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do that today since it's so cold outside. This is how you close the top. Very easy one-button operation. Now when it's finished, it says roof movement complete. Now let's go on a quick ride. have it in D, in drive mode, fully automatic mode. You can also paddle shift it if you want. Here's the upshift and that's downshift paddle. Notice when you use the paddles, it stays in that gear. If you go up, it stays in that gear. If you go faster, if you slow down, it will downshift automatically. So it doesn't revert back to automatic like Maserati does. For example, with the Maserati, once you use the paddle shifters to downshift, for example, from 5 to 4, it stays in that gear for a little while, and then it reverts, defaults to drive, to fully automatic. Lots of power on tap from the V12 engine. Look at that. Very smooth ride. And check out the speedometer. I mean, I am doing 50 miles an hour now, and the needle barely moved from the 0 position. Top speed is 220 miles an hour, and I wouldn't know because I never tried to drive it that fast. Frankly, I never drove much faster than 100 miles an hour. And you notice as you drive it in automatic, it shows you what gear you're in right now. For example, it shows D1. And I want to say something about this flashing that you see. From this angle, you